Talk about the geometric mean again on this is 8-1 study guide, page 6. All right. Now we're talking about the geometric mean of right triangles. You've seen this before in class, but these are three right triangles. You notice that all the angles are the same, so that means these triangles are similar by angle. All right. And I'll show you here, if I can get this done properly, that these right here are also, give me a second here. Here we go. Are also similar in proportions, all right? So now you notice right here, so this shows that from this little point right here, you had A, B, C, A, D, B, and B, D, C. All of these right here are similar, all right? So now let's shift from that so you can see how that was put together, how they put this together. So next we're going to go and show you how to find these different parts here. So if we have a regular right triangle, we'll have a right angle C, which we always label as C. Opposite side is the big C is little c. Angle A, the opposite side is a little a, and the opposite side over here is a little b. And then h for how tall it is, and then or the altitude, and then x and y is add those two together equals c. So to find the geometric mean h, all we have to do is take the square root of x times y. So it's the two legs that are adjacent to it, right? And then for b, we find that by the square root of x, its adjacent side, times the entire length. Likewise, we go over here to a, it will do the same thing with the square root of y, which is its adjacent side, times the entire length on the bottom right there, which is c. Remember over here, that's what c equals to, all right? So if we look over here for number 1, if all we have to do is find the altitude, then we know it is going to be the product of these two, the square root of the product of these two. So end up with the square root of 3. Over here, we like z is going to be the product of 1 times 8, which is the square root of 8, which is the same thing as square root of 4 times square root of 2, which means we're going to pull the 2 out, square root of 2. So let's find what x is. X is going to be equal to the square root of 1, its adjacent side, times the entire length, which is going to be 9, correct? So that means that's going to be the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. Next, we've got y is going to equal to the product, the square root of the product of 8 times 9, all right? And of course, that's going to equal to square root of 72, which means that it has an 8 and a 9, so that's going to be, that's going to be the square root of 3, right? I'm sorry, 3, square root of 9 is 3 times, we already know that square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2, so that's going to end up being 6 square root of 2. Okay, so what I want you to do now is for you to work these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems. I've already got 2 of them done, and that will be your assignment. Thank you.